Yeah, I know. Your water broke. Shanta's water just broke.
Pwede pa bang pahanda ng ambulance dyan?
Ano po,
Sorry, extension does not answer.
Look how hard is it to get an ambulance to BRP? Kinusap ko kanina. Pero sige lang, tawain ko sila ulit.
Shanta, are you done?
Leak ng water dyan.
Oh my gosh, parang full talaga. Kasi kanina din dun sa labas.
Ano ko?
Oh my gosh. Di ba ang dami?
Yeah, nagle-leak na.
Ang dami.
Ano ma'am? Ano ba yung... Sir, DR po.
How are you feeling, Shanta? Okay lang?
Bawal ka ba dito? Pwede ka.
Pwede ako sa loob, boss, ng delivery room.
Basta may mask ka. Tatayo na.
Bakit sila magpapa-admit? Ay, pumutok na yung panubigan ba? Siguro, supupusin. Sir, you can just wait here outside.
Bawal ako sa loob.
Ay, opo.
Yung okay lang.
Oh, yung check-up lang yung dali natin. Yung laboratory check.
Yung mga papers ko nandyan.
Okay.
Can I bring you?
Yung sa tungkol na kapilang.
Basang-basa. Tubig, daming tubig. Well, I should be in there, but dahil sa situation, hindi talaga pwede. Hindi talaga kaya. So, mag-aantay na lang ako dito sa labas. Bawal ako dahil sa COVID-19, which really sucks because that means I'm gonna miss out on the birth of my first son. And that sucks. But, ganun talaga ang buhay. No?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. This beautiful life.
Binigyan ako ng form na to kasi magpa-admit na si Shanta. Cellophane everywhere, protecting everything. Iba talagang panahon natin ngayon. Filling out this form for Shanta para magpa-admit na siya. Yan, magbabayad na. Kunin ni Shanta ang private room. Social siya eh.
Ito po yung draft birth certificate. Pag
Okay.
nanganak na si Ma'am Shanta,
Oh.
pipil-upan niyo po ito.
Okay.
Kailangan photocopy ng marriage certificate,
Mhm.
pati po ito na draft birth certificate pag napil-upan.
Mm.
Pasa niyo po sa medical records, basement.
Okay.
Oo. Monday to Friday po ang medical records, 8 to 5 p.m. po sila, except during holidays.
Okay. Sure.
Wala po siyang PhilHealth.
Wala. Wala. Duwanta fam ka pala. Subscriber ka. Picture muna daw kami.
Thank you.
Thank you din. Salamat. Okay, so ngayon, balik muna ako sa delivery room. Ibigay ko kay Doc ang mga documents ni Shanta para magpa-admit na siya. Tsaka ready na daw yung room niya. Ito daw, mga ano ni Shanta. Mga
sige.
forms niya para magpa-admit
Ito sir, sa inyo to.
Okay.
Ito po sa amin. Sige sir, hintay mo na sila dyan. Pagka naayos na yung kwarto sa taas, papuntahin ko na lang kayo ng car, doon na kayo maghintay.
Okay, sure.
Apo.
Salamat. Okay, so hindi pala ready yung room ni Shanta. Mag-aantay lang ako. And then we'll go to their private room and see how it looks. So sabi ni Doc, may contractions na si Shanta. And maganda yung contractions niya. Consistent, regular. Normal din yung x-ray niya. Tapos, parang they're going to update me from time to time. So mag-aantay lang ako dito sa loob ng room. Bawal daw mag-video sa loob ng labor room, sayang no? Pero pwede daw mag-picture. So mamaya picture na natin siya, si Bebe. Okay? So we're gonna see what he looks like. Oh, super excited. I'm gonna be a dad today. Grabe no? May 9, 2020 is our son's birthday. Alright, ito ang bed niya. Hospital bed. Yung CR. Ang laki ng CR. Social. Medyo. Okay, so the doctor has just called me to go to the delivery room and see what's up with Shanta. Sabi ni Doc na magdala daw ako ng camera. So feeling ko naganak na siya. By the way, ang oras po ngayon ay 5:30 a.m. Or sa 4 bus ako. Salamat. Alright, here we are, delivery. Yes, nandito na.
You know what happened with the D.R.E.
Hey! Dr. Siko lang.
Siko lang.
Yes.
So, nandun na siya.
Sa loob?
Oo, kasi ang protocol ngayon,
Mm.
diretso na si baby sa nursery.
Naganak na siya?
Hindi pa!
Ah.
Hindi pa ako! Hindi pa ako pumaporma.
Ah, okay. Okay lang, okay. Galing nga. Nice.
Mamaya po, ako naman nagpapapicture naman ako doon.
Ah, okay,
Pero
sige.
picture still lang, walang video.
Bawal ang video sila.
Kahit noon, kahit wala pa si COVID, bawal ang video.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Okay,
Oo,
cool.
so, gaganon na kasi ako nung dayos nyo na, yung PPE na.
Ah, okay, sure.
Na mainit.
So, pwede ko siyang puntahan ngayon?
No.
Ah, hindi po. Bawal sa
Bawal talaga, sorry. Ibang,
okay.
lalong nag-iba ang protocol.
Ah, okay.
Kasi dati,
Oh.
non-COVID times, paglabas dito, show to daddy!
Ah, ganon.
You're here!
Ah, talaga?
Sasabihin ko lagi, pictorial with the daddy. Kailangan yung moment. Sasabi ko yung angle. Bawal na.
Bawal na?
Diretso
Sayang.
na. Sige, dito.
That really sucks. That really sucks. It's unnecessary. Like, they won't even show us the baby. They're just gonna take him straight upstairs to the room where they keep all the babies, I guess. So I don't even get to see him. So sana hindi siya switched at birth, no? Because I don't even know what he looks like. What's the problem if nandito ako sa labas, tapos ipapakita lang nila si baby sa akin habang nag-aantay ako sa labas, di ba? So, binigay ko sa kanila ang phone ni Shanta. So, pag nag-anak na si Shanta, picturean niya. So, at least, as soon as the baby comes out of the womb, we have a picture. So, here I am back in the room. Medyo gutom na ako. Kaso, we're in a pandemic. Everything's shut, so I can't go out and eat. So, I just have to sit here and starve. Until the baby is born. I could go home and eat, but I don't know, I don't want to risk it. It's past 6 a.m. 6:24 a.m. And sabi ng doctor na she'll probably give birth in the next 30 minutes. Woo! That's crazy. Oh, so habang ako mag-aantay, I'm gonna watch videos on YouTube about how to take care of a newborn baby. A bit late, no? Better late than never, diba? Ang galing. Salamat, ha? Thank you. Harap. Kaso, it's not for me. Lang mas importanteng kumain si Shanta, diba? Shanta's doctor has just called me. Oh. So hard to do one-handed. So, I'm gonna go downstairs and see what's up. Hello po, Doc.
Congratulations!
Ano na yan, ha? Nagkak na siya?
6 pounds 11.
Ay, wow.
Kanina pa.
Talaga?
Actually, 6, ano tayo? 20, anong daily out?
6:20.
21 yata. 22.
6 ounces and
6
22.
pounds, 11 ounces. This is Dr.
Ana-
David,
hello po.
anesthesiologist.
Nice to meet you. So, he was born at 6'11".
No.
22.
6'22". 6 pounds, 11 ounces. Okay.
Oo, and
That's
then
fair
50 centimeters yung length.
enough. Ay, talaga? Wow. Higante.
Kamukha mo.
Kamukha ko?
Maputi.
Talaga? Oh, talaga?
Yeah. Magaling naman si ano.
Si Shanta?
Mabilis.
Magaling? Talaga?
Yeah. Nung nag-IE na ako,
Oh.
5:30 nag-start na siya pinapapush ko na eh. Ang bilis lang yung for first.
For first baby. So, ilang oras siya nag-labor?
Hindi, kagabi nag-start na ba siya?
Hindi. It was
nag-break yung water niya, mga
Yeah, from that time,
11:50
11 or
p.m.
12.
Yeah.
So, mabilis lang siya eh. O sabihin mo, 6-7 hours lang.
Ah, okay.
Sabihin natin
Okay.
before 12 pa siya, a little before 12 kung meron. Di ba, there are 2 phases of labor, yung latent and the active phase.
Right.
So, yung active medyo baka hindi niya napansin.
Ah, okay.
So, sabihin natin 6-7 hours lang. Mabilis yun.
Galing mo.
Yeah, medyo natagala lang kami sa repair.
Repair?
Yeah, the repair.
Ah, okay.
Oo, di ba, nag-episyoto, nagka-cut kasi kami.
Ah, nag-cut
There's a
kayo.
proper time, yeah. So,
Pero
nag-cut ako.
natural
para
birth
like-
siya.
Yeah, normal delivery. Yeah, normal.
Galing mo.
Normal naman. Yun nga. So, this is the vaginal opening,
Ah.
this is the A. So, I didn't cut straight
Right.
para what if bumigay,
Oo nga,
diretso
no.
dito. So, I did the right.
Ah, okay.
So, it's okay. So, right na. Labas na si baby.
Oh.
Repair part. Okay, instead of just one laceration or cut inside the vaginal vault,
Yeah.
naging ganyan. W.
Ah,
Because of
talaga.
Wayne.
Woolley.
Woolley. Oo nga, Woolley. Pwede.
Ah, talaga.
So, ang
Kaya
repair
pala.
namin more than an hour.
Oh, wow.
Si baby nasa akin dyan.
Ah, nasa
Sa
taas
nursery,
na.
oo.
Okay.
So, sino magsasabi?
Huwag niyo siyang i-switch, ha?
Di naman. Sobra kan. Ang itsura naman mo.
Ang galing.
It's you.
Oh, yeah?
Maybe sa initial, it's your features.
Talaga? Wow.
Yeah, it can, baby, yung features pwede mag-change. Yeah.
So, kailan ko pwede
Daddy
siyang
ka
makita?
na talaga.
Oo nga. Yes, May 9. Day before Mother's Day, di ba? Just in time.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Oo nga, tomorrow.
Naabutan si Shanta ng Mother's Day.
Oh, ang ganda. Nandun
Mami.
lang yung phone eh. Unless you would want to see it na.
Ala! Naganak na.
Okay naman si Shanta. Naka-oxygen yan. Don't worry, may naka-oxygen.
Ah, okay.
May nasal
Yeah.
cannula naman siya.
Mm.
Nagulat na siya. Sabi niya, okay naman ako. Doon ko lang ako naramdaman. Ay, sabi ko standard siya. Oo, ayan. Nasaan pa yung iba yung pakalabas lang. Meron yan eh. Tapos na yan eh. May picture yan. Oh!
Ah, yun.
Diba it's you?
Yeah, parang, oo. Huh?
Tinawag pag hindi siya balot. Yung from the start ng kakakalabas lang ni baby. Lang nun.
Mm.
Dinikit, nag-ano rin sila. Nag-skin to skin din sila.
Ah, okay.
Part
nice.
naman talaga yun, pero hindi yung the usual na tagal din.
Right.
Yeah.
Grabe, no?
So, yun ako. Ito si Dr. Rasuni yung yellow.
Sayang hindi ko nakita.
Oo nga, sorry. But it's documented naman.
Oo.
O yan, mga before pa. Hindi pa siya nag-wash.
Ah, hindi pa siya nag- ah, okay.
Oo. So,
Nice.
yan yung start. Pagka yung nadala. Sin kanina, yung nasa phone ko, yung nasa labor room pa lang siya.
Grabe kayo, parang mga Power Rangers na.
Kaya mga kulay kami, di ba?
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata. I got to hold the baby. Shanta?
Hello, Tay.
Are you okay, baby?
I'm so asleep.
You're sleepy?
Yeah.
So you will sleep na lang, ha? I will bantay you.
Where are you going?
I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna stay here with you. I went out to see a baby.
Oh, did you see it?
Yeah, I got to hold the baby.
Really? So cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
Does he look like you?
I don't know.
But
I
is
don't
he
know.
squished?
I think he has your cheeks and your jaw.
Is his
And maybe your
squished?
eyes. I don't recognize his eyes.
They were saying his eyes are mine.
You reckon? Yeah.
They're saying that.
Yeah, maybe. I think he looks more like you. But he's matangkad, baby. They said
And
he's...
he's white.
Yeah, he's more
white.
puti. He's a
Hello.
light Shanta.
Oh my god, they said I was very good.
Yeah, your doctor spoke to me. She said you were one of the best patients she had.
Really?
Because you weren't like... Was it masakit?
Because they said I went from 5, we arrived here.
Yeah.
I was already 5 cm.
Oh, by the time you got here?
Yeah.
At 2 a.m.?
And then I went from 5 to 9 without
Oh.
the epidural. Like,
Wow.
really fast. Like, they were so surprised. And they said, ginulat mo naman kami, ma'am. Because, like, I went from 5 to 9 and I could still, like, I wasn't asking for epidural yet. And I guess I didn't ask for epidural. That's why it was really fast. I don't know, but they said I was really, really fast.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was
yeah, it was so fast because we got here 2 a.m. and you had the baby 4 hours later.
6 something.
Yeah, 6:22.
Yeah, because I was really fast, they said.
So did it hurt or not?
It hurt every time it contracts, but it's not really.
Was it like super painful or not that painful?
It's like you're going to poo. Yeah, it's. I know na if I didn't get epidural, it would be like super painful.
Oh, so you did get epidural?
I did.
Yeah.
But at 9 cm.
Probably no. It's a part
And
of your baby.
they were so nice. Like all of them were so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh, my baby. You had a baby.
How did you feel when you saw the baby?
Yeah, it's Mopay, but it's like I still can't believe that it's my son.
Yeah.
That it's my
And you
anak.
know when
Because I'm just like it's a baby.
Yeah, I know.
But it's my baby.
That's how I felt. Like, you know, I didn't cry when they put him on me.
Yeah.
I didn't cry. I don't know. I thought
So you
that,
did the skin to skin with the baby?
I don't know. I think so.
Oh, okay.
'Cause
Dr.
like-
Brian said you did.
Because I was just looking at him. Yeah, I felt his face. Like, oh, and I'm so happy they have a bonnet. Because they
Yeah.
put a bonnet on
And
him.
it says,
'cause I
I'm
don't
a
have-
BRP baby.
Really? I didn't see. Because like, I was like, you know, he was like white stuff all over him when he came out. They were wiping him.
Yeah.
Above him.
I saw some of the photos they showed me.
Oh, really?
I sent the
Yeah,
photos to the group chat, Liwan.
You know, they were like taking photos while I was pushing.
Or,
And they helped me push too. Yeah, they were really nice.
so you didn't feel that much pain?
Um,
Is it the worst pain you've ever been in your life?
I don't know.
I guess it was.
Yeah, because like, no, because it was like squishing so hard and akong abdomen. Yeah, and it's like you always like when the contraction comes, you're like, oh, mapupupu ako, mapupupu na po ako. I always say that, and then they would say, okay, inhale, hold, 1, and they count to 10, and then after they count to 10, you have to relax, and then if you're still having contractions, you have to like inhale again and then count. Thank you, honey.
Okay, you sleep back. I'll be right here.
Hey,
Right
how's
next to
my
you.
kilay?
It's maganda.
Can I see?
Ganda ng kilay.
Shanta, the buntis is no longer buntis. She's postpartum na.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.